consider yourself a fast food fry expert?
Definitely.
I used to be a very, 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 very fat person. I consider myself a aficionado of fast food.
I just eat like crap.
I am definitely a fast food expert. Like, I got it. I got this in the bag, honestly.
Okay.
No pun intended.
Yes, definitely.
Not I.
No.
Definitely. I would definitely call myself a fast food fry.
Pick one.
It's
Definitely
McDonald's.
This is
It's already,
definitely some
it's
McDonald's.
already McDonald's, I can tell you right off the
Let's see.
bat.
It's
It's a
salt,
100% happy
salt
meal,
to fry ratio.
and I'm loving it.
Oh, I already know what fries these are. I don't even have to. I'm gonna taste it just so it could seem like, you know, I know, like, that I'm actually working hard, but I already know what fries these are. These guys are the famous Mickey D's fries, McDonald's.
McDonald's?
It has to be McDonald's.
It looks like McDonald's. McDonald's brand for fries.
This is McDonald's. I already know. Yep. McDonald's.
These are definitely
That's Taco Bell.
This is definitely some
That's Taco Bell 100%, but you skimped us. Where's the nacho sauce?
Yeah, limited edition.
Yeah, limited
Taco
edition.
Bell.
These are $1, people.
Dollar, right
Go
here.
and get yours today. Limited time
Oh,
only.
wait. Definitely Taco Bell with no cheese.
Yep.
What fries are these? They're good. I'm really just taking like a guess, but I really don't know these fries. Never tasted these in my life. Taco Bell. These are Taco Bell fries?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go have some Taco Bell fries. I've never had these. Oh, they're good. They're good.
Checkers?
Checkers.
I was gonna say Taco Bell
Oh.
because they have Taco Bell fries now,
Oh.
but I don't know. Not Taco Bell. I love French fries.
These are checkers.
Is it checkers?
No.
Is it Taco Bell?
Yeah.
Oh my god! I'm so good.
I know these fries. Taco Bell.
Well, no, these are checkers.
These are definitely checkers.
Definitely checkers.
Definitely some checkers. Not thick enough to be Five Guys, but same seasoning. But these are
100% checkers and rallies.
definitely checkers.
No, you can tell by the peppering on it. No one
Yeah.
else peppers their fries except for checkers.
Oh,
Yeah,
what is this?
definitely checkers.
That one is Popeyes.
What? Yeah, I just haven't been to Popeyes in so long.
I've never had fries at Popeyes.
I'm ashamed. I should know that.
That's
Yeah.
the same thing.
All right, that's Popeyes.
You're finally wrong.
Oh, I know what fries these are. I just had them today, actually, for lunch. Yep. Checkers, baby. These are definitely Checkers fries.
They're not. They're Popeyes.
These. I don't know what those are.
Why can I get the bag?
These are checkers. These are checkers. These checkers?
No.
No. Hey, babe. Popeyes.
Yeah.
Popeyes. Wendy's. Checkers. We'll see. Checkers though. Checkers.
No.
No.
It's Popeyes.
It is Popeyes.
These are thick. They're plain. Let me take a wild guess on this, man.
I want to say Burger King,
No, Burger King is
but
better.
it's not.
No,
No.
it's not Burger King. Those are definitely some.
That could be.
Those are like some homemade fries right there. Like this is deep
they
fried.
taste like microwavable.
Yeah,
fries.
microwavable, non-salted fries.
Exactly what it tastes like.
This one's a hard one.
If you tell me this is from a chain, I'm gonna be very disappointed, and they're gonna lose all business from me in the future.
What are these?
Burger King.
I
What?
Knew it. I knew it.
That's not
Yeah, I
like
told
my-
you.
it has
I
to
told you
be.
it was Burger King.
Well, I'm not going back to Burger King.
I'm not either. I'm not getting the fries there ever again. I'll tell you that.
These are not my fave. And it only brings up one place in mind, Burger King. Because, yeah, Burger King is not my favorite fry place. Yeah, this definitely tastes like Burger King.
I don't know.
What am I doing?
Wendy's are more salty. I just like this. No. Mm-mm. I have to be Wendy's.
Wendy's?
No. Burger King.
Yeah.
Oh.
Burger King. Nasty.
These are Wendy's 100%.
These are definitely
Natural
Wendy's.
cut.
Yeah, natural cut.
Natural
the
cut.
burnt on the side. These are some bad boy
You
Wendy's.
still got the skin. Wendy's knows where it's
Oh, Wendy's, baby.
at. Your mom-
These are Wendy's?
Yeah.
Oh, that one is a Wendy's fries.
100% Wendy's.
Wow.
These are not that great either. Maybe I'm really not a fast food expert like I thought I was. Steak and Shake.
No.
Then what is it?
Wendy's.
How did I forget about Wendy's?
These
are
Wendy's. Wait, why do we know fries?
I tell you, it's all I eat.
Yeah.
Wendy's.
It tastes like a fresh potato.
I think these are Wendy's. Wendy's.